Hi guys, this is Matthew again, and happy new month. This is May 2026. So this is our first strategy today, and we're going to be dropping some strategies across all the channels. So make sure you subscribe to the channels to watch all the strategies. So as you all know, Deriv has updated their website and apps as well, including the MT5. So for those who aren't used to this new web design, we're dropping this strategy, just to show you guys how the layout works. I'm sure some have not traded for a while now, and so this is the new design, and we're in dark mode. So once you log into your trading account, go to the D trader. Then you go to the trade type, just check the top side. Here we're going to be trading the touch, no touch. You will see the tick 4 boxes. Once you click on it, it's going to push this to drop down. Then you're going to go to touch, no touch. You click on it. So actually going to be trading the no touch, and we're using the stochastic momentum indicator. Just go right here and click on momentum. You click on it right here, so I'm going to show below here. There's a trade ongoing. So once you do that, you go to the duration, you set it to 2 minutes, set the barrier offset to plus 3.23 and the amount you want to stake. So we want that trade right here. We made 5.72. So I'm going to show you how this works. So we're going to place a trade once both, you can see this, both of them are down. This is the spot where you place the trade, the stochastic momentum. Once both of them are facing down, you click on buy. Make sure this is in no touch. Both of them, both the red and the white, must be facing down, must be dropping down before you click on buy. So you can see this spot right here. This is where you place your trade. It must be facing down. It's up here. Do not place your trade once you see this. Yes, this is spot right here. Both the red and the white has to be facing down. It must be dropping down before you click on buy. And make sure this is a no touch. This is our second trade. Is the time count right here. We have 42, 39 seconds, 38. So as you can see, we won that trade. So we're going to place one more trade. Let me show you guys how. You can see both of them are dropping down. Both of them, both the red and the line. We're watching the stochastic indicator. Make sure you're watching this. So both of them must be dropping down, must be facing down. It's going back up again. You have to wait for both the red and the white to be facing right down, like slide. You can see it's facing up. So both are going down. Going back up again. We're going back up. Okay, sliding down. So you can see the spot where I placed that trade right there, they were both sliding down. So that's going to be our last trade. Let's wait for the outcome of that trade. And before that trade ends, let's go to the buy sell indicator. This is the indicator right here. We're still giving it away for free. You can see it shows you when to buy and when to sell. And you can see some trades ongoing there, they're already in profit. Just attach this indicator to any chart. It works on the Deriv MT5 and other broker platforms that support MT5. Attach it. When it shows this, you buy. When it shows this, you sell. So you have to be online to use this indicator. So we're giving it away for free. And let's go back here and see our trade is still ongoing right here. We have 1 minute 14 seconds. And for those who haven't purchased our bots, the Toscaper bot and the Super board. The Toscaper board is $9.99 USD. To order the bots, visit Toscaper binary the citywidetechnologies.com.ng. The Super board as well, they both work on Deriv. The Super board is $7.99 USD. Visit citywidetechnologies.com.ng. We're also giving away free ebook when you order bots. You get some free bots as well, and don't forget to subscribe to our channels. So let's go back here and check the time. We have 33 seconds left. So the infos are right here. To sign up for a free trading account, use this link. We are going to paste it in the video description on YouTube, and all the infos there to buy the bots and to get the MT5 buy sell indicator. All the infos are right here. Check the infos in the video description on YouTube. Let's check here. We have 5 seconds left. So as you can see, we won that trade. So we're going to stop right here. We're going to drop more strategies for other volatility. It's going to be the touch no touch, but the barrier will be different. So make sure you subscribe to the channels to watch all the strategies we'll be dropping this week. First week of May 2026. So I'm going to see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.